What's up, guys? Dtmp drama alert. So Alyssa Milano put out this video of this bird here. It says, nope, not okay with this. Watch this bird, dude. It's crazy. Bam! All the way into the ground. Watch when it flies. It's going to fly here in a second. That's one hell of a big-ass bird. Birds, guys, are what is left of the dinosaurs. So what a dinosaur looked like, but smaller. Well, this thing is huge. Like maybe what a dinosaur would look like. Huge. That's crazy. And it's real because you can go look this bird up. I don't know what the name of it is, but you'd have to go look it up. Put big, huge bird. I'm sure that'll bring something up about it. This is a real bird, and it's huge, and that's kind of a scary bird.